They feared it would happen. Milwaukee City and county leaders say they're starting to see a concerning increase in positive COVID-19 tests following the holiday.
And they are urging you, the public, to hang in there with safety precautions a little longer as they work to roll out the vaccine. Fox 6's Hannah Jewell joining us live now from the Wisconsin Center, where the mayor says plans are underway to turn it into a mass vaccination site. Right, Hannah?
Hi, Ted and Mary. Yes, that's true. And there have already been Department of Public Works workers here to bring in some refrigeration units. That's to keep the Pfizer vaccine cold so they can distribute it, hopefully, to thousands.
Just because we are in a new year does not mean that COVID-19 virus is gone.
Milwaukee City and county leaders say the new year is starting off on a bit of a bad foot, with positivity rates and case numbers for coronavirus creeping up.
It's something that we have to watch. We don't want to be in a space where we are having another spike, which we typically see after holidays.
In Milwaukee County, there have now been 86,182 coronavirus cases and 898 deaths since the pandemic began. The good news, though, is that testing numbers are up in the city after a lull after the Thanksgiving holiday. There have been 2,300 tested so far this week.
I'm pleased to see people are getting tested. Again, if you're showing the symptoms coming out of this holiday season, please make sure that you get tested.
Local leaders attribute the increase in cases to pandemic fatigue, with just several months to go before the vaccine will be available locally to all adult residents, which interim Milwaukee Health Director Marlena Jackson says could happen as soon as May or June.
We are going to get the vaccine into people's arms and into the first responders as soon as possible. We're working with lots of partners to ensure that that distribution is prioritized and fair and most effective.
A possible mass vaccine rollout is being planned now at the Wisconsin Center, according to Mayor Tom Barrett, who is asking the state for at least 800 vaccines to be sent to Milwaukee's healthcare workers by the end of the week.
I feel a sense of urgency to vaccinate our residents.
Another way the city is trying to prepare for this is they're training up healthcare workers who don't normally give shots to give shots, and also firefighters to also help to administer the vaccines to residents, hopefully here in the spring. Reporting live in Milwaukee, Hannah Jewell, Fox 6 News.